Hey guys, this is Mayankpal from Gossip Funda, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can set up a timer on your iPhone. So to quickly set up a timer on your iPhone, click on the clock app. To access the clock app, you can also use the control center of your iPhone and click on the alarm button. You can access the alarm button from here. From the bottom dashboard, click on the timer, and then you can set up a timer of any hour, minute that you want. Once you have set up the timer that you want, you can click on start. The timer will go down as the procedure is gone, and when the timer ends, it will give you the ringtone and change it whenever you like. You can see the timer will show at 12:33 p.m. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the Gossip Funda channel for more amazing content. Thank you.
I never answer to no, man, I still go, 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 go.